While everyone else is jockeying for position in the race for compute power, one man has suddenly decided to leave the queue entirely. He's building the chips, the infrastructure, and the energy sources all by himself. That man is none other than Elon Musk. On March 14, Musk dropped the Terafab bomb. Now, this isn't just any ordinary factory. It's a plan for independence from the entire AI supply chain. But how far has he actually gotten? Why is he trying to do this? And most importantly, will this play turn into an opportunity for investors like you and I? My name is Phoebe, and you're watching TradingKey. Before we dive in, just a quick reminder that this is for research and sharing purposes and does not constitute investment advice. Understanding the logic is always more important than the trade itself. Breaking the chip monopoly. Elon Musk has announced that Terafab will officially begin construction on March 21. But wait, aren't both TSMC and Samsung already producing AI chips for Tesla? Why does Musk need to get his hands dirty building his own foundry? The answer is simple. He needs to break through the production ceiling. According to Bernstein Research, constructing a 1 gigawatt AI data center costs around $35 billion. Musk's ambition, of course, goes way beyond that. His goal is an annual production of between 100 to 200 billion AI chips. To put that in perspective for you, that number far exceeds the current capacity of TSMC and Samsung combined. He also plans to integrate logic chips, memory, and advanced packaging all in one place. While experts call this amateurish, let's remember that he used the same first principles logic to build a stainless steel starship. His goal is the AI-5 chip, which aims to turn Tesla from a car company into the world's largest manufacturer of computing nodes, solving the energy crisis. Elon Musk isn't following the traditional path of hoarding chips in giant warehouses or renting out power stations. Instead, when it comes to compute power, your Tesla is going to work for him while it's parked. Think about it. There are 4 million Teslas across North America, sitting idle for about 80% of the day. That is a massive amount of wasted resource. This is where Macrohard comes in. Essentially, Musk wants to turn your Model 3 or Y into a mobile supercomputer. When you're not driving, your car's AI-4 chip, cooling system, and battery will all be tapped to help xAI process data. I know, isn't that just crazy? But Tesla owners will eventually have the option to opt in. While the exact figures aren't finalized, the plan is to turn every Tesla into a new revenue stream by leveraging that AI-4 power while it's parked. Owners would be reimbursed for electricity and wear and tear while receiving a direct cut of the revenue generated. It's a total win-win. Owners get a payout to help offset their car payments, and Musk gains 1 million compute nodes without having to sink $500 billion into server farms. But even the best compute needs power. While other giants are fighting over the electrical grid, Musk's solution is to move data centers into space. This solves 2 massive headaches: expensive electricity and difficult cooling. Let's take a look at what he said.
It's a no-brainer for building solar-powered AI data centers in space. It's very cold in space, just 3 degrees Kelvin. You have solar panels facing the sun, and then radiator that's pointed away from the sun. So it has no sun incidence, and it's a very efficient cooling system. Net effect is that the lowest cost place to put AI will be space, and that'll be true within 2 years.
With SpaceX's recent merger with xAI, Musk can use Starship to launch data centers into orbit, like satellites. To support this, Tesla is expanding its Buffalo plant to reach 100 gigawatts of solar capacity by 2028. In the cold vacuum of space, cooling is free, and energy comes directly from the sun without the need for government subsidies or environmental debates. How will Elon Musk profit? Recently, 9 of the 11 founding members left xAI. Elon Musk even admitted that the first version of the company wasn't built right and that they're restarting from the foundation. But take a look at who he's hiring now. He's poaching product and engineering leads straight from Cursor. Musk isn't looking for pure researchers anymore. He wants builders who can make AI profitable immediately. This leads to 3 clear ways Musk will make money. First, Tesla becomes a SaaS business. By slashing hardware costs through Terafab, he can push software-defined vehicles. You might buy the car for less up front, but you'll pay a monthly subscription for FSD. That is pure profit with almost zero marginal cost. Second, the robotaxi platform. When your car is idle, it goes out and gives rides. Tesla could take a 30 to 50% cut of that revenue, and because his costs for chips and power are so low, He can underprice Uber and even public buses, eventually creating a monopoly on transportation. Third, Macrohard. By training Grok to be the perfect digital supervisor, you won't even need to own an Optimus robot. You can just rent robot man-hours from Musk. Whether it's digital coding or physical factory work, the money flows directly back to him. Time for a reality check. Now, we'll have to balance this grand vision with the risks. Wall Street is skeptical, especially regarding the foundry. Let's be real, building a chip fab is incredibly difficult. Even Intel has struggled for a decade with advanced processes, and TSMC has spent 40 years perfecting its yield and supply chain. Chip manufacturing is the crown jewel of the tech industry, and the tens of billions required for Terafab represent a massive risk to Tesla's stock. Furthermore, investors are questioning the actual ROI on AI. If Musk pulls billions from Tesla to fund a 2-nanometer factory, will shareholders accept the hit to profit margins? Some experts even wonder if this high-profile announcement is just a madman strategy to force Nvidia into giving Tesla a massive discount. In the meantime, keep a close eye on the March 21st launch for a realistic production timeline. We need to see if he lands heavy-hitting partners like ASML or Samsung to help reach that 2027 goal. Musk's dreams always have followers, but now we'll need solid evidence. So, do you believe in Musk's AI independence plan? If you're a believer, this is the AI version of the original Gigafactory, a perfect closed loop from sand to sun to intelligence. And if you're not, this might look like a classic case of overexpansion. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Remember to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. If this helped clear things up, please remember to like this video and share it with a friend who might benefit from learning this. With that, we'll see you in the next one.